Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and the other day I uploaded a video of me installing the Galaxy S25 Ultra anti-reflective film from Samsung on my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and at that point I hadn't set up the phone yet, so I didn't show you guys the phone on and what it looked like. A lot of people wanted to see that. A lot of people also wanted a review on how it's holding up and how far it covers the screen. So in this video I'm going to show you this S25 Ultra anti-reflective screen protector from Samsung. It is currently available for $12 on Amazon, so I'll put a link down in the description. It is half off right now. And first things first, I'll go over how much of the screen it covers, and it covers all of the viewable portion of the screen, all of the screen that actually lights up. It does not cover the bezel, so this little black edge right here, I mean, it goes just up to it, and it's basically like a fingernail of space between the edge of the phone and the screen protector. Right there where my finger is where it stops. And most screen protectors you find are going to be like that, and that is to allow you to put on a case, so the case can go up to the side of the phone without ripping the screen protector off. So it is a case-friendly screen protector, but it does cover the entirety of the screen pretty much. Pretty much the most that you're going to find in 99% of screen protectors, unless it's not case friendly. Now, in terms of the anti-reflective properties, I do have a light over to my left, and you can see it is a bright LED light, so you can see the reflection of the light on the screen, but it doesn't completely blow out the entire image. This is my Galaxy S24 Ultra right there. That has a glass screen protector on it, and you can see the light is much more visible compared to the anti-reflective screen protector here on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that is that. I do recommend these. It's a 2-pack. If you get it on sale right now for $12, that is a steal of a deal for a Samsung branded screen protector. With the anti-reflective properties, so you keep that same anti-reflectiveness that your phone has, which in my opinion is really nice, because I've been using a glass screen protector on the S24 Ultra, and it's something I really do miss, especially in environments with bright lighting. You can see your screen much easier. So just want to do a quick review on that for you guys and get that up. Like I said, link will be down in the description below. They're regularly like $24 or $25, but right now they do have a deal for 50% off. So check that out while you still can. Maybe even pick a couple up in case you mess one up, something like that. You can replace it and have a few spares on hand. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.